Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of October 9th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is Bears. Where's My Teddy? By Jez Alborough. Eddie is off to find his Teddy. Eddie's Teddy's name is Freddie. He lost them in the woods somewhere. It's dark and horrible in there. "Help!" said Eddie. "I'm scared already. I want my bed. I want my Teddy." He tiptoed on and on until something made him stop quite still. "Look out," he thought. "There's something there." "What's that?" "A giant teddy bear." "Is it Freddie?" said Eddie. "What a surprise! How did you get to be this size?" "You're too big to huddle and cuddle," he said. "And I'll never fit both of us into my bed." Then out of the darkness, clearer and clearer, the sound of sobbing came nearer and nearer. Soon the whole woods could hear the voice bawl. "How did you get to be tiny and small? You're too small to huddle and cuddle," it said, "and you'll only get lost in my giant-sized bed." It was a gigantic bear and a tiny teddy stomping toward the giant Teddy and Eddie. "My Ted!" gasped the bear. "A bear!" screamed Eddie. "A boy!" yelled the bear. "My Teddy!" cried Eddie. Then they ran and they ran through the dark woods, back to their homes as fast as they could. All the way back to their snuggly beds where they huddled and cuddled their own little Teds. The end. We're going to make a foam teddy bear. You'll need glue to glue on a nose and eyes. A marker is optional if you want to draw on a mouth. I'm going to. And your Craft to Go kit, which has a foam teddy, a packet of stickers, 2 sticky buttons for eyes so we won't have to glue those on, and a little pom-pom for the nose that we will have to glue on. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the backing from the buttons and put them on as eyeballs. There's one. Peel that one off. There's 2. Make sure they stick. They stick really well. Then I'm just going to put a little dab of glue on the pom-pom and stick it right where the nose goes, right below the eyes. Now, like I said, I want to draw a face on mine, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to make him happy. So he's got a little mouth. And then next you just take the star stickers and make your teddy bear look fun. You just put the stickers wherever you'd like. You can use multiple different colors. You can use a pattern. You can just use one color if you really want to. It's entirely up to you how you decorate your teddy bear. I'm just putting mine on across and then I'll go down. And that's what my bear looks like. I decided to put a little color up on the top and the ears, and I have stars all down below. And you can see I have 3 extra stars. I didn't use all my stars, so use whatever you want to. If you only want 1 or 2 stars, that's fine. But this is what he looks like. Let's pull him out. Stand him up. And that's our bear.